Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just realized I'm zoomed kind of far out. Hey, so today's video I'm going to be doing meal prep for you guys. This was requested by you guys when I talked about how I've been meal prepping lately. And I just want to tell you quickly how I meal prep because I'm not sure how other people do it. And I've never watched a video on this before, so I'm just going to kind of wing it and see how it goes. But I'm going to zoom you guys in first. There, that looks a little bit better. But basically how I meal prep is I just choose 2 different recipes for that week, and I normally just make enough for lunches for 5-6 days. And then the reason why I do 2 different recipes per week is because I'll alternate back and forth each day. If I make one recipe for, 7-8 days, like on Pinterest, I see people who do like, they cook 8 chicken breasts and do a sheet pan of vegetables and they eat the same thing for like 8 days. I personally can't do that because after day like 3 or 4, I'm gonna be looking in the fridge seeing the exact same meal for the next few days and I'm just not gonna eat it. And I'm gonna turn to eating something that I probably shouldn't be eating in the first place. So I have to alternate because that's just what works for me and keeps me going on this great habit. So if you're someone who can actually eat the same thing over and over again for like a week at a time, then it's gonna be a little bit easier for you to meal prep because you can just do it all at once and it's all the same thing. But I'm gonna be doing 2 recipes today for you guys. And I'm going to be doing basically a paleo version of P.F. Chang's lettuce wraps. This recipe is so good and in my opinion it tastes just the same. And then I'm also gonna be doing a steak pasta made with zucchini noodles, and I don't have a spiraler for my KitchenAid, so I have to buy zucchini noodles already made. So that cuts my cook time and like into nothing pretty much. All I have to do is make the steak. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I do and let's go ahead and get started. So these are the containers that I'm gonna be using. I just bought these on Amazon and I chose these to be honest because it said it's next day shipping and I'm all about next day shipping if you can get that option. So I just picked these. These are reusable. I got 15 of them and I think it was $19, $19.99 probably. And these are actually really good. They wash really easily. And there are, hopefully you can see there's 3 compartments. I don't always fill up all the compartments. Like today I might not fill up all the compartments. But I really like these and they are very sleek and I just can pop them in the fridge and there they are. In the past I was using like random Tupperwares that didn't line up and it just kind of looked junky in there. So I do like how these look, and I don't know, you don't have to have these, you can use regular Tupperware, but I really like these. So I will link these down below for you guys. Here are the ingredients for my first recipe. These are gonna be the lettuce wraps, and I have a pound of ground chicken breast. This is soy sauce, but it's the paleo version. It is just basically an alternative and it tastes exactly the same. And then I have olive oil, water chestnuts, garlic that's already minced. And yes, I buy it already done because it's just super convenient. I hate mincing the garlic myself. Some mushrooms, green onion, and then I have obviously the lettuce to break off for the actual lettuce wraps. So this is all that you need for these lettuce wraps. And I'm telling you guys, this recipe is so good.
There's no ceiling when you are near me. Worth the waiting, baby, believe me. A chance of you is worth taking. There's no limit when you are near me. Sending you my love and all my good vibes. Sending all I got. So tell me you feeling all my love and how it feels right. Sending you my love. So tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. But the same moonlight, you're here with me, always on my mind. A thought of you is a good thought. We got this thing. dance, see the same sunrise. Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling on my life and how it feels right. Sending you my love. So tell me you got it. Tell me you got it. Sending you my love and all my good vibes, sending all I got. So tell me you feeling on my love and how it feels right. Sending you my love, my love, my love, my love.
Okay, so while this is cooling off, I'm gonna start working on the next one. I'm just gonna be sauteing up some steak with seasoning and then putting it next to this pasta, and then I'll end up combining this once I eat it. I also grabbed some whole green beans, and I love these so much. And I'm just gonna cook the steak in this olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and season the steak with just a mixture of random seasonings. Whatever seasoning you like will work. So yeah, let's get started with this one. Alright you guys, so here is the final product of what it looks like. Whenever I start to eat this, I will of course wrap this in here, and I like to have extra left over just to eat with a fork. And then with these, I will mix the steak in with the zucchini and heat it up. And I have green beans in all of them because I love green beans, especially these. I could eat them every day the rest of my entire life. You could switch it out for like sweet potatoes or corn, broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you want. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put these lids on them now. But if you guys have any recipes that you like for meal prep, please leave them down below for me. Or if you have any food blogs that you follow for meal prep, I'm always wanting to try something new. But that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.